Hello dear students, today I am going to teach you Production Possibility Frontier PPF curve. A production possibility curve is a curve which shows the various alternative production possibilities which can be produced with given resources and techniques of production. In this paragraph, I explain you about production possibility curve. In the production possibility curve, we produce the commodities with the use of specific resources and techniques. If we want to increase the production of a particular commodity, if we want to increase a particular production, if we want to produce a particular production or specific production to increase, we also call to, if we want to more produce X commodity, then we definitely be reduced by production और अदर कमोडिटीज़. ओके, अगर हम एक कमोडिटी को ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस करना है, हमने माना कि एक्स कमोडिटी को हमें ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस करना है, तो हमें वाई कमोडिटी को प्रोडक्शन हमें रोकना होगा. फाइन. तो क्यों हमें रोकना होगा? क्योंकि जस्ट वी हैव अ लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज, वी हैव अ लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज एंड दीज लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज वी यूज ओनली एट अ टाइम, वी यूज ओनली produce only one commodity rather than other commodity. Fine. Then we have to reduce this is why production possibility curve is also known as transformation curve. इसलिए हम इसे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर्व भी कहते हैं, क्योंकि हमें एट अ टाइम एक ही कमोडिटी का प्रोडक्शन को इंक्रीज करने के लिए हमें अदर कमोडिटीज़ का प्रोडक्शन को हमें रिड्यूस करना होता है. फाइन. देन देयर आर सम प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व. Production possibility curve slopes downward. In production possibility curve, the production possibility curve always slopes downwards. It makes, whenever we make a graph, whenever you make a graph, the graph slopes up to downwards. Production possibility curve slopes downward from left to right. Then you just point it first to left and it should be downward from left to right. ये left से right downward में हमेशा ये curve होता है. It is because in the situation of fuller utilization of a given resource, production of both the goods cannot be increased. More of goods X can be produced only with the less of goods Y. If we use limited resources to make two commodities at a time, so it is not possible to both productions in same time. We produce more and more or increase. So we can do, first of all, we produce only at a time only one commodity rather than other commodity. With the help of this method, we concentrate to increase production of a particular commodity. हम एक commodity को production को increase करने में ज़्यादा concentrate कर सकते हैं, because we have a lack of resources. So with the lack of resources, we can't produce both commodities at a same time. The next is, there's some assumption of production possibility curve. हमने सब assumes किया हुआ है कि production possibility से क्या assumptions है, हमने माना है, हमने consider किया हुआ है. So economy produces only two goods X and Y in different proportion. First of all assumptions is, we have produced two commodities, goods X and goods Y, but both commodities have a different proportions. If we can say the X good is more compared to Y goods. Okay. Second is, amount of resources available in an economy are given and fixed. The resource, it is definitely true, the resources of amount is in an economy, there is a fixed and given. Fine. It is only a limited resources we can use to produce a different commodities. Third is, resources are not specific. They can be shifted from the production of one goods to the other goods. So resources are not specific. We don't know what resources are used whenever in manufacturing time. So we can say that these resources are shifted from one goods to another while manufacturing the production at that time. Fourth is resources are fully employed. There is no wastage of resources. It is very true because resources are very limited. So the whenever we manufacturing a production or we make a commodity, we think about it. These resources should not be wastage. Fifth is state of technology is an economy is given and remains unchanged. When whatever we technology used or machine used in while making a production, so these technologies are unchangeable. Okay, ये चेंज नहीं होती हैं. तो फर्स्ट क्या हमारे पास टू कमोडिटीज़ होते हैं एक्स एंड वाई और ये बोथ कमोडिटीज़ के डिफरेंट प्रपोर्शंस होते हैं. रिसोर्सेज हमारे पास लिमिटेड हैं, फिक्स्ड हैं जो हमें यूज़ करने हैं. देन रिसोर्सेज आर फुल्ली एम्प्लॉयड. जो भी स्पेसिफिक रिसोर्सेज हमें उनको पूरा यूज़ करना है विदाउट एनी वेस्टेज के. एंड स्टेट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजीज एंड इकोनॉमीज गिवन एंड रिमेन अनचेंज. जो भी टेक्नोलॉजीज हैं, जो भी मशीन्स हैं वो अनचेंज हैं, वो चेंज नहीं की जाएंगी. देन एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व. वी ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू बच्चों we have only limited resources and these limited resources we make a production of a particular commodity. So the basic problem of choice of all forms of economic problem with the help of this production possibility curve. With the help of production possibility curve we solve many economic problems related to manufacturing of a commodities. We have presumed that only two commodities we think only we produce only two commodities, wheat and machines. You just imagine we produced wheat and machines are being produced in an economy with limited capital and we have only limited capital to produce these both commodities. So if total commodities used to produce machines, its production will be 15,000. If we talk about the machines, the total production of the machine is 15,000 and wheat production will be 0. If we talk about the production of machine is 15 and the production of wheat will be 0 and production of wheat will be 5 lakh quintals. If we then 5 lakh quintals, why 5 lakh quintals, why the wheat production will be increased? Because we use our all resources to manufacturing the wheat rather than the manufacturing of machines. Okay, the important point to note here is that the use of more capital in the produce of one goods. It means we use more capital of a particular production or one goods implies having loss of the other, which shows production possibilities. तो एट ए टाइम हम एक प्रोडक्शन को ही हम जो रिसोर्सेज हैं हमारे, हम एक प्रोडक्शन को ही बढ़ाने में हम उन रिसोर्सेज का यूज़ करेंगे. तो उससे क्या होगा, हमारा जो सेकंड कमोडिटीज़ का जो प्रोडक्शन है वो ऑटोमेटिक डाउन होगा. तो जस्ट इन दिस टेबल आई एक्सप्लेन यू दैट द प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटीज इज A B C D E F and wheat is 20. first of is it's in 0, then machine in 15. So जब मशीन का प्रोडक्शन 15 था तो वीट का कितना था 0. बट फिर क्या हुआ, प्रोडक्शन हमने किस में कॉन्सेंट्रेट किया प्रोडक्शन बनाने में, जस्ट वीट प्रोडक्शन. जो भी हमारे रिसोर्सेज थे हमने वीट का प्रोडक्शन लगाने में उन रिसोर्सेज का यूज़ किया. सो वीट का प्रोडक्शन क्या हुआ, इंक्रीज होता गया लाइक 1 2 3 4 5 एंड मशीन्स का जो प्रोडक्शन है वो ऑटोमेटिक क्या हुआ, डिक्रीज हुआ लाइक 15 14 12 9 5 एंड लास्ट में उसका प्रोडक्शन कितना हुआ 0 और लास्ट में इसका प्रोडक्शन कितना हुआ 5. तो इट मीन्स ये 5 लाख क्विंटल्स में हुआ और इसका प्रोडक्शन 0 में हुआ. तो हम किसका प्रोडक्शन बनाने में कॉन्सेंट्रेट हमने किया, जस्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वीट प्रोडक्शन. ओके.